家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
就是我问哦，你有去过外岛旅行
哦？有，这个澎湖啦，然后一直想去马祖啊。
我筹马给去呀。
你在问我说要做什么去，对不对？
对啊。
Let's teach people about this. If you're going to the outer islands, how are you going to get there? What transportation? 要搭什么去？
我筹马给去。
我筹马给去。
那如果搭船去马祖要8到10个小时
哦，那还不如坐飞机，对不对？
对啊。
All right, 那我就教这两句好了。搭船去马祖要8到10小时。It takes about 8 to 10 hours to take a boat to 马祖。
坐船的去马祖。
坐船的去马祖。
我8到10點鐘叫。
我8到10點鐘叫，所以搭飛機去比較快。Taking the plane is a lot faster.
坐飛行機去較急。
坐飛行機去較急。All right, you're going to want to learn some of these vocabulary, including 船 a boat,
船呢
and then a plane 飛機
飛行機
and there you have it, another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字寫張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.